Papa and Mommy. Bye.
Hello guys, good morning.
Hello guys, I'm going to the dino park.
Wow. Yes, Yejun said he's going to the dino park. There are no dinosaurs there guys, but it's a park, right June? And we can play.
Play with the dino park.
Yes. So today is my day off. At si Chris walang work today. Of course, si Yejun walang work. Of course, Yejun is not working. So we're going to have some fun today. Punta kami guys dun sa tinirhan namin dati kasi maganda yung park doon. Tingnan niyo naman, ang ganda ng smell ng aking anak. Look at Mommy's friend and smile. Me too. I wanna be me too. I love you. Look at the sky, everyone. Yejun is happy. Are you happy or sad? Happy. Yeah, we will go. Wait a second, because Papa needs to go somewhere first. Go to Papa. Huh? Yeah.
Dada, can you Papa?
Look at Mommy. Outside. It's windy, Junjun. Yeah, it's windy. Look at Mama. Jun. Guys, nandito na kami guys. May may river.
No.
Ayaw ni Yejun. Happy! Happy la 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 la. You go and run. Go to Papa and run. Go to slide, Junjun. Yeah? Jun, what are you doing? Jump. Ready? Ready? Get set? Oh no, Yejun doesn't know how to jump. Oh, that's so high, Han. I tried to climb. It's so scary. Ready, get set, hachu! the T-Rex say? What does the T-Rex say? Oh my goodness. Yeah, you can go again. Go again. Yeah. Woohoo! It's so much fun.